Trader, we have Uber, robotaxi. We went long that and we went short Tesla, which is down $18.71, and we're long Uber. We believe that they are very well diversified in robotaxi. We will let the bull run. This was the great big winner over Tesla with the robotaxi. That's why we call it pair trade. We went long Uber and we went short Tesla. That's what we did. Now, you can get involved by signing up for the free 5-day trial. Just click on the link. It's very simple. And let's go over all of your power investing options that you can do. Your power investing, that's right. We got the bull trend on Uber with the robo-taxi setup, and we will buy pullbacks and continue to let it play out over the next year.